unbiased Scribie reviews. Is Scribie legit? If you're in need of transcription services, you may have come across Scribie. Scribie was founded in 2008 with the goal of providing high-quality transcription services at an affordable price. They have a user-friendly interface and a high level of accuracy, making it an attractive option for many. Scribie has built a positive reputation in the transcription industry, serving companies such as IBM, Nike, and Harvard University. Some customers have reported issues with turnaround time and accuracy. It's essential to consider both positive and negative feedback and make an informed decision. If you're looking for a transcription job, Scribie might be the right platform for you. They offer flexible working hours and a chance to work from home. Scribie pays their transcribers, reviewers, and proofreaders per audio minute, with rates ranging from $5 to $25, depending on the difficulty of the work. Payments are made via PayPal or Pioneer. Scribie pays per audio hour transcribed. You need excellent typing skills, a strong command of the English language, and the ability to meet deadlines consistently. They offer quality services at affordable rates, and customer feedback is mostly positive. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.